Hey Debbie, it's Corey here. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over your three free tips. So those three tips I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Just kind of browsing over your site real quick. So really, I would bring your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page. Just being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need a lot more content, so that way you can layer those keywords. Those keywords are actually how you're being found. Even these images, what they're saved as, even Google sees this content. You got preventative maintenance. You can do a little bit better and do a more specific buyer's intent keywords back there. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. Now, if I go inside of Google here and actually just type in heating repair, Panama City, Florida, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here. These are actually brand new. They came up last year. They came up with these to get away from those spammy ads, but they actually put those down here at the bottom. These ads been really spammy, so they came up with these to actually reduce some of those spam calls. Still another form paid advertisement. I've seen ads anywhere from 30 to 140 bucks a click. Really depends on the territory and the niche, really. But imagine paying 60 bucks a click and couple of those a day, that does add up at the end of the month. Anyway, so underneath the ads is this little map section here, and really to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map area is going to be all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and really to get here is going to be dealing with that authoric content like I mentioned before, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go and take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So right now you got 46 referring domains, which is pushing back 175. Historically, you've had about 356 backlinks. You've started this back in 2013, really 2020 February, so you really had a big, did most of your backlinking there. But you're being found for 73 keywords, so you're getting about 22 clicks to your website on average every month. We can actually come and see where these clicks are actually coming from. This is how you're being found. You have your name for a lot of it right here. Here's a good keyword, air conditioning repair, Panama City, FL. There's 90 clicks every single month with that one keyword. The only thing is you're missing all the traffic because you're 19th position. This tells you the position and also the amount of traffic coming from each keyword as well. So we have your name for even more. HVAC, Panama City, FL, another 30 clicks, missing all the traffic, 18th position. That's your name. Panama City appliance repair, 20 clicks. Once again, missing all the traffic. Let me show to you one of your competitors here. This is Ridge Air Conditioning in heating, kind of showing you what they got going on. Put them inside of Ahrefs. Shows you their position. They have a lot of first, second. There's a couple fourths in there as well. But kind of showing you the amount of traffic that they're getting. Air Conditioning Panama City FL, 70 clicks. They're getting 27 clicks out of the 70, so it's a really good ROI for that one keyword. AC Repair Panama City FL, there's 100 clicks. They're only getting about 10% because they're fourth position. They should get a little bit better rankings right there, and that'll drive up a more percentage of that 100 as well. Air conditioning repair, Panama City FL, another 90 clicks. They have their name, Panama City Air Conditioning, another 20 clicks. So really coming in and finding all these keywords and making sure you're actually having enough power pushing back those keywords will really drive in that quality work for you as well. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, and may think that I have a couple tricks up my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for yourselves, or give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.